And you guys see how this hair moves? Like, it's not stiff at all. Excuse me, ma'am, your bob is fire.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
New Kung Fu Kitty. Ain't nobody praying for me. Y'all know what happens on earth stays on earth. Here we go.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stuffed out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 minutes later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram, like me cautious. I be hanging out in towns. I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram. I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to
everyone, it's a tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for a new company. I haven't worked with this company before, at least I don't think so, but let me tell you something. I am so happy that I'm working with this company because today's unit is literally the perfect bob unit. I was really impressed. I'm not even kidding you guys. Like when I seen this unit, I was not expecting that. Like when they told me, okay, we have this bob, you know, they sent me a picture of it. A lot of times, you know, when they send you pictures, you don't know if that's like really what you're gonna get. Not only does it look like the picture that they sent me, but it's actually even better. And I am just so happy. So this company goes by the name of ILikeHair, and I can see why, because I actually love this hair, okay? I don't even like this hair, I love this hair, okay? And this is a beautiful bob unit, okay, you guys? And listen, I've done a lot of bob reviews on my channel. This has to be one of my favorites. I feel like it hits me so perfect. When they told me they were gonna send me a 10-inch, I was like, I don't know, like 10 might be too short. No, this is literally the perfect length for me. If you're someone who has like a long neck, then you know you can go for like a 12-inch, but I have like, you know, a shorter neck, but it like hits perfectly. Like I didn't need to like cut this any extra, and it really didn't even take too much as far as styling. I did, you know, go over the unit just a couple of times with my flat iron, but it's literally perfect. The other thing that I noticed about this unit when I was like unboxing it and everything is the fact that there was already makeup on the lace. Like right in the middle part where the part was, there was already makeup there that matched my skin tone. So I don't know if they like saw my videos, seen what skin tone I was, and was like, let's put this makeup on here to match her perfectly. But literally this unit was made for me. Like from the fit, from the lace color, everything. And you guys saw, like even before I cut off the pre-cut lace that they had, the lace still melted perfectly fine before any product was adhered or anything. So I'm really loving this HD thin lace that they have. Now this unit, as you guys may have noticed, is a little bit different from any other unit that I've ever reviewed. Like this is the first time I've ever received a unit like this. And the straps in the back, there is a Velcro strap in the back, you guys. Most units, they have those elastic bands, they have the adjustable strap, they have this new drawstring pull thing that a lot of companies are doing. But this company stepped it up a notch and they have a Velcro strap in the back. I love it because it's so comfortable. A lot of times when I have that elastic band that you like hook in, it comes out, which is so annoying. I hate when it comes out, and sometimes it hurts because of that little metal hook thing that they have. When it comes to the adjustable straps in the back, I don't like those either because I tend to always have to crisscross the straps, and it's annoying. Like I don't like that I have to do that. With the drawstring thing, I've noticed like I'll pull the strap or whatever, and then sometimes I'll still have like the strap hanging down, and it's like I don't know, and I like to like pull my hair to the front like this, so I don't know like if people can see the freaking strap hanging in the back. So this one is like perfect. I hope more companies do this because this is like it's really stepping up the hair game, okay? So I love the Velcro strap in the back of this unit. It's really easy to adjust as well. You can make it as tight or as loose as possible. And this unit goes up from, and because you can adjust it, this unit goes from sizes 19 to 25 inches. So that's like extra small to like large. So this can literally fit everyone. It's literally the perfect one size fits all, because a lot of companies say like, oh, it's one size fits all, and then you wear it and it's either too small, too tight, too big, like it's always something. So this one actually fits perfect, and I typically wear like a 22.5 for my units, and that is typically a small, but they have 19, like this can go up to 19 inches. So if you have a smaller head than that, then you're really good with this unit, and if you have a larger head, you're still good with this unit. So I love that feature. I'm really happy about that. Also, I noticed that the combs in the unit, you can easily just slide them out. You don't have to spend time like using a razor to cut them out. And I hate when I have to like use a razor to cut the combs out, because sometimes you can accidentally cut a hole in your unit, and you don't want to have that as a problem. Now, as far as the quality of this hair, this is 100% virgin human hair, okay? And you can tell, like you can just tell that it is, and it's so perfectly like dense. It's not too thick, It's like not too thin. It's the perfect density because there's nothing worse than a thin bob. When it comes to a bob, the density, the cut, the movement is so important. And you guys see how this hair moves? Like, it's not stiff at all. And like, look how healthy it is. It has such a beautiful, healthy shine. And I did not have to use like any product to get it to look like this. As you guys saw, I literally just flat ironed hair. That's it. I didn't put anything else on this hair whatsoever, and it just has such a beautiful, healthy shine. It's tangle free, it's frizz free. There's no frizzing at the top. Even after using my hot comb and everything, there's not a piece of hair out of place, and I'm loving that. And you guys see the parting space on this unit. We have a nice deep parting space, and then you also have a lot of parting space here in the front. I did show you guys that as well. So the tracks don't start to like down here. Pre-plucked to perfection. The knots are bleached like hello. So this unit is a 6.5 by 5 inch HD lace closure. Okay, this is a lace closure unit. I love the amount of parting space on here. And if you wanted to, you don't even have to keep it in this middle part. You can actually like flip it over and have like a side part with this bob. And that's important. When you have a unit, you want to have some type of versatility to it. You don't want to feel like you're stuck with just one look. Like, you can actually get away with doing a little bit more with this unit. And you guys know I'm a long hair girly. Like, anybody who knows me, if you are not new to my channel, then you already know I love the inches. I love my hair touching my butt, okay? I like my hair touching the floor if I can, like 30 inches plus. That's definitely my kind of vibe. So for me to be saying this about a bob, that's how you know it's bob, okay? Period. And it does have a natural black color. I love the color to this. It's not like that like brown looking kind of color, because you know a lot of companies, like, they'll say like, oh, the color is black or it's jet black, and it's like really brown. But this one is actually a beautiful dark color. It's actually a beautiful black color. Love it. And just like, look how perfect this cut is. Like, I cannot stress that enough. They did their big one with this unit, okay? So this unit is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, and the lace is very thin, you guys. It's a thin HD lace. You're gonna love it because, like I said, it just melts so perfectly with your skin. I didn't even have to put makeup on the lace. I don't know if you guys saw that. I didn't even have to do that. I just put the unit on and it just worked for me perfectly. And it already came with the middle part in there, so you don't have to worry about sitting there trying to get your part straight, because I know that can be something so frustrating even for me. Like, I'm always wondering, like, is my part straight enough? Like, I feel like my parts are always kind of like a little bit off, but this one is like the perfect middle part already done for you. And if you don't want to, you don't have to use any lace glue or anything like that. But because I know I'm going to be wearing this for a couple of days, I did want to go ahead and use some lace melting spray. That's what I used to add here in my unit. I didn't use the Got to Be glue that I normally use. I just used this melting lace spray. This is what I use today. So this is just to like have that extra melt, but this also has like some stickiness to it, so it helps your unit stay in place as well. But you can definitely wear this as a glueless install. You do not have to glue it down at all, which makes it a lot easier as far as like just installing your unit. It's a perfect beginner unit. It's a perfect everyday unit. You can wear this literally anywhere. You can wear this to work. You can wear this to go out to eat. You can wear this if you just want to look really put together on some classy type of vibe. Like, this is perfect. And it's perfect for the summertime because it's getting hot, and I don't know about you, but I don't want to have a bunch of hair all down my back and everything like that. Like, this is just perfect, okay? And even though this unit is very full, as you guys can see, this is not a thin unit whatsoever. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. And if you take care of this unit can last you up to 3 to 5 years or even longer. Like, you guys know me, I always switch my units out anyway. So a lot of my units, like, I've had them for years. Also, on the ear part for this unit, there is a curve. You guys aren't gonna be able to see it, but y'all can see that my ear is not like sticking out, and that's because it has like this curved edge here. I will show you guys a picture on this screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But a lot of units, it just goes straight across, like that elastic band that's like the dome cap. It just goes straight across. This one has a C curve that goes right around your ear, so you don't have to worry about your ear sticking out. And that's important, especially when you're wearing a bob. You don't want your ear sticking out because it's gonna make your bob look lumpy. Also, the cap is breathable breathable as well, and that's perfect because you need your scalp to breathe when you're wearing these protective styles. When you guys are wearing these units, ladies, it's so important that you allow your hair to breathe, and this unit does have a breathable scalp. So yeah, that is all the tea on today's bob. I'm loving this bob. You guys will definitely see this bob again. I will be rocking her again. I feel like wearing this, I need to do like a really classy outfit. I need to go out, like a nice dinner somewhere. Like that's what this gives. It gives grown women vibes for sure. Like this with like some pearls, some really short cute nails. Like y'all see my nails is not giving right now. Like a nice cute little French tip. Like it's giving that kind of vibe. It's that kind of vibe, that kind of vibe. Excuse me ma'am, your vibe is fire. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor today, ILikeHair, because I am loving this hair, you guys. Definitely my new favorite bob, okay? Literally the best bob I ever received because it's literally perfect for me. So if you guys want to get your hands on this bob and try it out yourself, I will have a link down below along with all the details. And of course, you guys know coupon codes are always down in the description box. You should never pay full price for anything. I am completely against that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.